dear friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your music teacher. On our previous lessons we already learned with you notes and octaves. And if you haven't seen those lessons, I will leave for you link down below, or simply click icon at the end of this video and it will be somewhere here or there. Well, you will see it anyway. Today we will talk about music cliffs. In general, there is 10 music cliffs, but today we will talk about 3 of them, and those 3, they're the most important ones. First music cliff, and it's my favorite and I'm pretty sure it will be your favorite too. It's treble cliff or cliff G. Why cliff G? It's very simple, because this cliff is located on second line of music staff, the same place where is note G located. And the notes in this cliff you already know, because we learned those notes in our first lesson. Second cliff, it's a bass cliff or cliff F. With this cliff things are getting more complicated. As you probably already noticed, the cliff located on the place of note, some note, yeah? So the bass cliff is located on place of note F, and for the bass cliff it will be the 4th line of music staff. Yes, you heard me right. You probably now confused because you got used to that on the 4th music line located note D, but this is only for treble cliff. In the bass cliff, I repeat again, F located on the 4th line of music staff, and this means that C will locate it between second and the 3rd lines of music staff. And alto cliff or cliff C. This cliff showing us straight ahead where C is located, and it will be 3rd line of music staff. In alto cliff and in the bass cliff, notes are not changing their names. The only what they are changing is their position or location. You probably by now want to ask me for what we need so many music cliffs when we can use only one treble cliff and be happy. But no, we need other cliffs. Why? Because when we want to write very low notes, if we will use treble cliff, we will start to add extra lines. Like for example C, yeah? We are writing on extra line, and the notes lower we will use more extra lines, and it's very uncomfortable because you cannot say immediately what the note is that. You have to count those lines. So that's why we need so many cliffs. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel and you'll learn something new and even more. Bye bye.